Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 239. We start with this box here. We're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 2. 1 here, so 2, 6, and no help here, so 1, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. And I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got the 7 here, so 1, 2. 2 here, so 1, 7, and no help here, so 1, 2, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 6. The 3 can't be here or here because of this, or here because of this. So our 3 must be here. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3, 8. 3 and 6 here, so 2, 8. And the 3 covering here and an 8 here, so 2, 6. So the only place our 3 can be is here. And it looks like the only place our 8 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 9, and 9 here, so 2, 7. And no help here, 2, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here. That makes this our 2, which makes this our 7 and our 1. We can get rid of this 7 here. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 and 7 here, so 2, 4. 3 here, so 2, 4, 7. 2 and 4 here, so 3, 7. And no help here, so 2, 3, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here and a 9 here, so 5, 7. 7 here and that 9, so 4, 5. 4 and 9 here, so 5, 7, and 5 here, so 4, 7, 9. We look at this row, we've got the 2 there now, so we can get rid of that 2. We're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here. So that makes this our 5, which makes this our 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 2, 5. The 2 makes this our 6, 1, 2. That 6 makes this our 2. So we can get rid of this 2 and this 2. For this box, we're missing 8 and 9. I don't see any help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 7. No other help, so 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here and a 2 here, so that makes this our 4. We've got a 7 here. So 1, 2, and we can get rid of this 4 here. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so 6, 8, 8, 2, and 9 here. So this is our 6. That makes that our 8. If we look at this column, we're still missing 2, 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so 2, 8. So it looks like the only place in that column our 7 can be is here. That 7 makes this our 5. 5 makes this our 4. 4 and 7 make this our 9. Does any of that help us anywhere? This 4 makes this our 2. And this our 7. 3, 4. 7 makes this our 1. 1 makes this our 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 1, 6. 1 makes this our 7, 1. So what are we still missing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our 7. And 3. Let's go back here. This 2 makes us our 9. 2. 9 makes us our 8. 9. 2 makes us our 8. And so we are just missing a 5. All right, there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.